already I opened ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Perplexity.ai, and Microsoft Copilot. So these are the popular ones. You can check other LLMs like Llama also. So in this case, I have taken these 5 LLMs to explain you. Okay. Before going to write the LLMs, before uh, guiding the chatbots to generate specific prompts, so always remember, use this prompt as initial setup. That is, you are a helpful assistant. You will do what I tell. You have experience in detecting unusual words, inaccurate information, and you will generate best and effective output without any mistakes and hallucination, inappropriate information. Are you understood? Just see, this extra information will guide the AI to uh, become and to do the task in that field only. Okay, in that field only. Even it will generate some accurate information, but writing this additional information in the prompt itself, so the AI will generate the output in that field only. So it will before generating the output, this will keep this information. The output should be effective and any without any mistakes, inappropriate information without that. So it will generate the output. Okay. So you can start with this initial prompt setup because it is very helpful, right? So you can use this. So let's start with this here. Yes, I understand. I will follow your instructions. Ensure the output is accurate, effective, and error-free, and avoid any unusual or inappropriate information. Let me know how can I assist you. So okay. So when we are talking about using LLMs to write a specific prompts, so what we have to tell AI. So remember two things. So to use the maximum potential of AI language models to solve a particular task, you need the specific knowledge about that task. For example, if you are a doctor, right? So you can go as a specific, that is heart surgical doctor, or even you can go like that. You can go any specific like uh, ETA doctor, like that. You can go the specific one, a nutritionist, right? For the specific one. Now you can tell AI. So you are a experienced prompt engineering, especially in nutrition. So you have to train AI in specific as specific possible to get the specific prompt from the AI. So you have to keep these 2 points. You have to tell AI you are a experienced prompt engineer and specifically in which area? In nutritionist. If you want the prompt related to the nutritions in that space. Okay. So you can go on the top of that. You have 10 experience in the nutrition as a prompt engineer. You can go in that. So even you can provide the additional information in the prompt you need in the specific in which area you need the prompt. You can go in the deeper and you can train AI model according to your requirements like that. Okay. In my case, I will go like I will take, let's take educational purpose for the 8th class physics, or even you can take, yeah, let's take about now coding itself, or let's take in content generation. Yeah, so I will go with my specific knowledge. Okay, to or to analyze this output, even this prompt will help me or not. So I have some specialization in the Python code. Okay, Python programming language. So if you are, even you can, you practice with LLMs to write effective prompts in which area you are have. But as a prompt engineer, you should know all these things. So you have to write the prompt for every uh, specific area, not only the nutritionist, not only the Python code. As a prompt engineer, you should write at you should good at writing the prompt for specific task. Okay, you can use anything here. For example, uh, if you want the best prompt for marketing purpose, okay, for specific one, that is psychology of customers. Let's take this, okay. So what I will tell AI, you are experienced prompt writer, you are experienced prompt writer in the field of, okay, in the field of psychology of customers, or psychology of women. Let's take this psychology of women's in marketing, okay. What I guided the AI is, I need a specific prompt for psychology of women's in marketing. For that, I trained the AI, you are an experienced prompt writer, this is a act as a persona prompt pattern, right, of in the field of psychology humans in marketing. So even you can just tell AI you are a experienced prompt writer, it is enough. But to get the best insight from AI, you should go with the specific one. That is all about prompt engineering is. Writing the prompt for specific application is called prompt engineering. So you can go as much as you can deeper, like field of psychology of humans in marketing for, or you can go psychology of women or men's only in marketing. You can go in internet marketing, offline marketing, like that. You can go deeper and deeper in that for your according to your requirements. That is all up to you. Let's see. In this example, I have told you are experienced prompt writer in the field of psychology of humans in marketing. So now your task is, to generate best two to, or even you can take, okay, let's see, two to three different versions of prompts, okay, different versions of prompts for LLMs or for AI you can take. So what it will happen, it will generate the prompts that are two to three different versions, okay. It will generate three or two different versions of prompt, okay, for AI. So okay, it will generate some prompts. Let's see the example here. You can see prompt one, behavioral insights for marketing strategy. You are a marketing psychologist tasked with analyzing customer behavior. You can see here the AI module know about act as a persona prompt pattern. So you can see here it will writing, you are a marketing psychologist tasked with analyzing customer behavior. So you can see what is the, even AI is writing the prompt using act as a persona prompt pattern. You can see that this is the importance of act as a persona prompt pattern. Even AI also using that act as a persona prompt pattern in the prompt itself. You can see here you are a marketing psychologist. That is the most important of using act as a persona prompt pattern, right? You can see here psychologist tasked with analyzing customer. It has generated three different versions of the prompts that is related to psychology of humans in the marketing. You can write 4 to 5, 10 to like that. You can, according to your requirements, you can change here. So sometimes the AI will generate uh, s- uh, rather than this output. That means not the actual output. For that, you have to tell AI. So you have to give the extra information. These prompts are used in different LLMs to generate the psychology of humans in marketing. Even you can add additional information when that output is not related to your prompt. Sometimes AI may do the mistakes. For that, you have to write the additional instructions. Okay, I hope you understand. So You can see here, you can directly use these prompts in the ChatGPT itself or other language models to get the information. So this is how it is very powerful using the language models. So here another benefit is, so I will write by myself prompt. For example, if I want to write the prompt for psychology of humans without using LLMs to write effective prompt, so I don't know about the emotional and cognitive factors influencing brand loyalty. This I don't know because I am lack the knowledge of the factor of psychology of humans, right? I don't know about this factor. I don't know about this factor. So it will which uh, tells about the psychology of humans in clear way. So if I miss this with my lack of knowledge, if I miss this information in prompt, it will just skip this. Okay, the output will be just skip this. So in that case, I lose the information about that. Even if I use AI, I lack the knowledge of writing detailed prompt because I don't know, I don't have knowledge about this emotional and cognitive factors influencing brand loyalty in the psychology humans of marketing. But AI know everything about the task that we are telling to AI because it is trained by all the topics, resources, all those things. That's why it will give the detail as the main purpose is you have to write the best prompt pattern. That is, you are experienced prompt writer in the field of psychology. How much you will go the deeper, the AI will generate the output in deep, like that. Okay, you can see the prompt here. That is the best prompts. It is written rather than me also, right? That is a powerful using the uh, prompt, right? LLMs to write an effective prompt for your using AI models at the potential level. So you can see the three different prompt versions here. You can use, you can check which prompt is generating the best output for your task, right? I hope you understand.